everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Pull yourselves up a chair, sit down, we're gonna cook something delicious together. Today, we're gonna make some blueberry Danishes cream cheese. Cream cheese blueberry Danishes, that's it. So, we need a roll of our crescent sheets. We need 1 egg, which we're gonna divide into the yolk and the white. 1 8-ounce cream cheese. Some sanding sugar, lemon juice, vanilla, sugar, fresh or frozen blueberries, and your baking pan that we're going to line with parchment paper. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to take our cream cheese that has been softened and we're going to mix this together. We're going to add our cream cheese right in there. We're going to add 1/3 cup of sugar to this. We're going to need to give this a good mixy and get it all mixed together. In the meantime, we do want to separate our egg white from our yolk, so we're going to go ahead and do that so that it gets separating here. I'm just using this little Otato egg separator. It's a cute little basketball hoop. Our oven is preheating to 375, so that'll be warm by the time we're done. We're going to go ahead and mix this together now. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Continue to mix. All right, so you have that as a nice good consistency right there. It's nice and smooth and creamy. We're going to go ahead and add in that egg yolk only. There we go. We're going to mix that together. And because lemon and blueberry go so well together, we're going to add in a tablespoon of lemon juice to this. Mix that one final time. So now you'll have yourself a nice little mixture like so. We're going to go ahead and get our parchment paper and squares ready. Pop these babies right on open. Roll them out. Take your pizza cutter and cut these into 4, and we have another roll as well. I think we're gonna do these into 6. And take your cookie scoop and put a scoop down in each one.
Are they almost done?
They're not almost done. So we have enough for another roll. Just kind of put that from end to end. Don't put it too close to the diagonals there.
Are they almost done now?
No, they're not almost done. Let's give you a better look. You don't need to see me, you just need to see what we're making. So there we have it divided and we have it scooched to close to the corners there, but not the whole way. Now go ahead and put your blueberries on there. As many or as little as you like, whatever floats your boat. Makes your socks go up and down. And then you're simply going to take these and fold this over. Now you're going to beat up that egg white till it gets frothy. And you're going to brush these with the egg white. You're going to fold the other side over. Tuck them in like they're in bed. And and brush them with the egg white. This will give them a nice pretty glaze and brown nicely. That golden brown. And then you don't have to do this, but if you have some sanding sugar, put them over the top. It makes them pretty, gives them a little extra crunch. I don't have the white, but I do have blue, so these are blueberries. That will work. And I don't care who you are, you're an adult, you still like sprinkles. All right, pop these in the oven at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull these out. And they smell delicious. Oh, look at them oozing. Yum. So we're just gonna pull them off like this, lay them on a cooling rack and let them cool before we bite into those babies. We're gonna go ahead and make the remainder of them. These have cooled. Now we're gonna try them out. Look at that ooey gooey goodness with that blueberry in there. Yum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Till next time, stay cooking.